To start your financial literacy channel, first, you need to define your niche. What specific area of financial education are you passionate about? It could be budgeting, investing, debt relief, or savings strategies. Next, research existing financial literacy channels. Take note of the competition and identify gaps in content where you can provide unique insights. Create a detailed content plan. What topics will you cover? Will you utilize videos, live sessions, or maybe even blog posts? Set a consistent posting schedule to keep your audience engaged. Choose the right platform for your channel. Popular choices include YouTube for long-form content, Instagram for visuals, and TikTok for quick tips. Invest in basic recording and editing equipment. Good audio and visual quality are crucial in captivating your audience. Develop a unique brand identity. This includes choosing a channel name, designing a logo, and establishing a visual style that reflects your content. Start creating sincere and engaging content. Focus on providing valuable information that resonates with your audience. Promote your channel through social media, collaborations with other creators, and strategic SEO to reach a wider audience. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging discussions around your content. This builds community and trust. Continuously evaluate your content using viewer feedback and analytics. Adapt your strategy to improve and meet your audience's needs.